So look, fresh out of school. It's Thursday. I don't know what day it is though. I just know it's Thursday, December something. And this weekend, it's finna go down. Cause look, we done got a little special treat. Christmas done came early this year. So, only means we might be getting a certain kind of video with these illustrious Pirelli P70, P0, what's the names? You get what I'm trying to say. You get the point. The kid finna have some nice little content for y'all. But just stay tuned. That last video went crazy. Filming SRT Breeze intro. I'm gonna need the same kind of energy on this one. But without further ado, let's get to it.
Cardi B 101.
Southside with the bro at. Get the back in, get your hoe back. Got a junkie knocking on the door. I think Cardi with a dope at. Dope at.
Next lesson.
I'm in the bit and I'm booty. All of my bitches they booty. All of my niggas they zooty. I'm in the money and booty. I'm in the money and booty. All of my niggas they zooty.
I have a question.
Yes, sir?
It says, all of my nigga is booted. What does that mean?
Basically, what it means is when, you're kicking it with some of the bros and y'all are simply just booted. Like, y'all are booted. Y'all are up. Booted.
Standing up for myself, and I'm tired of this shit. I don't understand anything you're fucking saying in class.
And they're getting hours.
This makes no sense. I don't understand anything you're saying. Hold on again. I don't get it.
Boot it up.
Buddha.
Your mother will be getting a
Oh, fuck you.
call. Your mother and your father will be getting a call.
Call him. I just fired.
Blow it up. It's not gonna blow up.
I see it gonna blow up.
Our motors are way better than
No.
6.4s ain't shit, man.
Water.
That damn 92 kids, boy, you showing what you can do.
50,
You
bro.
know like you gonna be there so that these kids struggling.
Oh, no. I'm not talking out of good.
You gonna be trying to cut the gear and shit. Well, you ain't ready for the wire?
Yeah, it's all. There you go right there. It's ready.
Pro charger. See, you gotta modify your car. You gonna buy a Z01, you gonna modify it.
I don't want it. Why get a ZL1?
Why modify it? Blow it up.
It's not gonna blow
How
up.
you
See,
gonna blow it?
our motors are way better than
No.
6.4s ain't shit, man.
That's
Water. Alright. I see how it is.
He just mad because he got 6 speeds. And that's it. He can't go over that. So once he top out at 165, he can't do nothing else. You see that right there? Show him that slow air car. You see that? You got the red brake, got all the calories. He's spec'd out to the max. Slow as hell. Spec'd out to the max. Come on, look. Slow. Can't do nothing. Can't do nothing. Look at the fat ass tire you shit while you can run it. You wanted more grip, but you wanted scrub. You sound like a tall guy when he put them 22s on his Hellcat. He needs some salt too. He needs some salt.
Look, y'all always talking shit.
He needs some salt.
You ain't glad I got my
He needs some salt, bro. He
Where
needs
your
some
92
salt.
at, bro?
It's at the house. I need the brakes. I don't come out here racing nobody. But hey, he ready.
I need tires to put on my car first, man. I ain't finna be spinning with your ass.
Just come out with tires on. You got your fat tire. So what, you gonna slick now or what?
Really not slick, just.
Really not a slick. See how the Camaro niggas do? Really not a slick. But on the title it says slick radio.
So sort of, kind of, barely, really, not really
Yeah, sort of really kind of really not a radio tire.
barely, but just enough, not enough, kind of.
He got a street radio, that's what they call it. A street drag tire.
A ghetto radio.
Ghetto radio. Yeah. It's in right there. Yeah, zoom in. Zoom in.
Somebody right
Yeah,
there.
zoom in.
Hey, you gonna remember this
Zoom
thing,
in.
right?
Yeah, zoom in. Yeah.
Trash. You gonna remember that?
Trash.
Dodge is Apple, and Camaro is Android. So what the fuck is Ford?
Ford is like them Nokia joints. They one of them Japanese companies that you only ever heard of, like a Nokia. You know, remember Cricket?
Maybe.
Oh, had one of them Cricket Boost Mobile joints. Yeah.
Alright, so after the day, it's the kid sliding certified from Mr. Hellcat himself.
Sliding certified. That boy can handle it. Y'all, I don't want to hear y'all disrespect my guy on the street. He can slide it better than any one of y'all in Atlanta. This right here, he the next step up right here.
Yes, sir.
Next step up right here. Slide it just like the best.
You heard it from the pro. The kid is certified, if you will. And slide certified. More videos on the way coming soon. Still got a whole other set of tires to burn. We'll be with you shortly.
Mr. Hellcat.
Yes, sir.